Alright.
Oh, God.
He come and come with you.
No water.
Some Korean people take it and that's your main food.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's summer and I was thinking, you know what, let's make a cocktail together for summer. So today, just like randomly out of the blue, my brother gave me this cocktail, like the shaker set, you know, like the little shaker part for your cocktails and all of that other stuff. So I thought that this was a perfect opportunity to make a cocktail. Had some fruits at home and stuff like that, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it. So let me show you guys what I got in the set first, and then I'm gonna tell you guys what drink I'm gonna make. So in the set, obviously you have the cute little shaker bottle, and this is such a coincidence because I saw a shaker bottle like this in the supermarket like maybe 2 weeks ago, and I said to myself, you know what, I'm going to buy myself a shaker bottle. I need to make my cocktails at home. I love making them and I can't wait until I go on the road and dress up all the time, you know, to go and get it. Sometimes you want to do it at home, so this came in like the right time. Literally such a coincidence. Anyways, you get the shaker bottle. First off, this one is the one that has the strainer on the top part right there, but you have the ones that have like the extra strainer that you can put over here and strain it out. I've already sterilized all of these things, by the way, just to, you know, just to clarify. You have a little cap right here to cover. This is the, I don't know the proper name for them. I'm in a bartender and a mixologist here, but just I use them. So this is the little alcohol part, like the parts for the alcohol or like any small amount of liquid that you want to add in there. So I think like this is the like one part, and maybe this is like half or so, I'm not exactly sure, but this is the part. You also have the ones that have the little handle on it, but I have this one. This little ice holder, you know, pick up your ice with like a little, I'm not gonna say ice pick, I don't think it's an ice pick, I don't know the exact name, but use it to pick up your ice, like a little tongue. Yes, a little tongue for, you know, pick up your ice. Then I think this is called a muddler. Basically it has these little ridges at the bottom. It has this, you know, firm grip handle right here, and it has these little ridges at the bottom, and you'd put fresh fruit at the bottom of your glass or whatever you're using, and you just kind of, you know, what's the word, I guess it's muddle, but you just kind of like smush it out, yeah, basically, to get like some of that fresh juice out of it. Instead of using the juice itself, when you want to use the juice from the fresh fruit, you'd use this, and you kind of get some of that out there. I got the spoon. I don't know the exact name for the spoon. I think it's like a stir or something like that, I'm not sure, but this is the spoon, yeah. And then I got these parts for the liquor or whatever like that, or whatever you want to use, I guess. It's just used to pour out your liquor or your liqueur if you have, or like any liquor syrups or anything like that. These are the parts, you just put it at the top of it. So we're going to get started on our cocktail. Okay, so the drink I'm gonna make today is like this, the sunset cocktail. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. It has like that little, you know, gradient from the red to the orange and then into the yellow. So I thought that would be the best thing to do today, minus the cherry, because I never really have no cherry around. So, but I had everything else, so we're gonna work with it. Also, these are my glasses for today. I thought these were really cute and they kind of fit the vibe of like a cocktail. I think you must have put like daiquiri in them because something there in these glasses too, so I think this would work. So we have them and I'm gonna use them. So let me introduce you to my ingredients for today. First things first, pineapple. I have some diced pineapples that I'm going to use first at the bottom and just smush it out, and then I also have some little cut pineapples to put at the top for garnish. Right, it still has the skin on, so that's why I want it on. This is for garnish, this is to use inside of the drink. I have 2 limes. You can use lemons if you want to. I have a little maple syrup. I have some strawberry pineapple syrup. Now for the bottom part down there in the drink, they normally use grenadine or or however it's pronounced, I guess it's grenadine, but I don't have that, unfortunately. So I just used, you know, a little syrup as a substitute. I have some orange juice, not freshly squeezed, but you know, orange juice. I then have some alcohol. So those things before, you can just make a mocktail out of those, right? You don't have to add alcohol if you want to, if you don't want to, but I think, you know, it peps it up a little bit, so I'm gonna add a little bit into mine today. So I'm going to add on the compartment, the pouring part, onto my syrup here, and then onto one of the alcohols that I'll be using. So this is what they look like, and you just kind of pour it out from there. So first things first, we're gonna start off with the red part at the bottom of the cup, which is the syrup. Wait, I wanted to try like some of those bartenders that do like these cool things, these tricks with it. I don't know if that's it, like this. That kind of syrup? Hopefully not. It's possible. I think that's about the same. Okay, so we're starting off with our syrup at the bottom. Now we're going to start focusing on the rest of the drink. First things first, we are going to add some of our diced pineapples to the bottom of our shaker. I'm going to cut one of my limes, and I have a lime squeezer here also. I'm gonna use that to squeeze out our lime juice. All right, so I have my lime juice and my pineapples at the bottom. We're now going to take the muddler and we're going to squish down this at the bottom of it, the pineapples and the lime at the bottom. We're going to squish it down. All right, now we are going to add some of our liquor to it. As I said, don't need to add it if you don't want to, but I'm gonna add to mine. I'm gonna use my little shot thing here. So I'm gonna use 1 part of my clear liquor and then 1 part of my golden liquor. I'm now going to add some maple syrup. Not a lot, honestly. Just a little bit. Good. Now I'm going to add a little of my orange juice inside there. I'm gonna add ice and then we're gonna come back and shake. Okay, so I have my ice here. I'm gonna do like that much. Now we're going to cover. And we're gonna do the fun part of it, shaking it. Some of them do it extra, go back at them and flip it over, but me can't do them something. So alright, so you can shake it for however long you want. Now I'm gonna add ice to the glasses that had the syrup in them already. And now we are going to lift off our top. There we go. And we're going to pour. Okay. I wish I had fresh orange juice because that would have made all the difference. Okay, there we go. This makes all the difference. Look how cute this is. Okay, now I'm just gonna garnish with a piece of pineapple. Like so. Look how cute. This is so cute. Wait, stop. This is actually so cute. I hope it tastes good. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little taste at this moment. I'm gonna do another one, but I'm gonna give this one a little taste. Let me just show you. I'm gonna try, see if it tastes good. I get a little mix because I just want to taste syrup at the bottom. It's actually very nice. It's actually good. It's really nice. Very refreshing. Very, very refreshing. Oh, this is actually so nice. It's so good. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am going to make a second one. I'm gonna make that one for mom. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a little different, but I just wanted to show you guys like what I got, you know, and just doing like some more fun stuff over summer. I love making cocktails. I like cocktails. I did a couple cocktails and stuff for like my past birthday, and it turned out really, really good. So I always wanted one of these shakers and like the whole set to really make it at home, and it's so fun. And we can do it with somebody else if mommy would have liked to do it, but I know she don't want to do it, but it's fine. But it's so fun to do, and you can, you know, mix and match and make your own drinks and stuff like that over the summer. Like, you don't have to go out and buy all the drinks. Like, you can do it yourself. If you have a little liquor at home, like a syrup, like a fresh fruits, whatever, you can do it yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.